How to clean marble surfaces effectively. Dear friends, to preserve the elegance of this luxurious stone, professional cleaning of marble floors necessitates careful consideration and the use of appropriate methods. Marble is a popular choice for flooring in high-end homes due to its natural beauty and distinctive veining. However, specific guidelines must be followed to ensure proper cleaning without causing damage to the delicate surface. To ensure proper care and maintenance of your marble floors, gather the necessary materials and tools. Begin by removing loose dirt and debris with a soft bristle broom or a vacuum cleaner equipped with a soft brush attachment to avoid any potential scratching during the cleaning process. Choose a pH-neutral cleaner that has been specifically designed for marble surfaces. Avoid using acidic or abrasive cleaners because they can erode the marble's integrity and cause etching over time. Using a cleaner with a neutral pH ensures that the cleaning is effective while causing no harm. When wiping down and polishing, use a microfiber mop or a soft, non-abrasive cloth. Microfiber materials are gentle on the marble, allowing for effective dirt capture and removal without causing damage to the surface. It is preferable to use distilled or filtered water for the cleaning process. This helps to prevent potential mineral deposits left behind by tap water, ensuring a streak-free and pristine finish on your marble floors. Depending on the type of marble you have, a penetrating sealer may be beneficial. This extra layer protects the surface from stains and spills. However, it is critical to consult with a professional to determine the best sealer for your particular marble, as different types may require different formulations for maximum protection. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.